Ever wonder how a slug can teach us about our own brains? It sounds wild, but it's true. By studying small, simple creatures, we unlock secrets about how all of us learn, even humans. Some animals have very few brain cells. Take the sea slug, Aplysia, or the tiny worm, C. elegans. Their brains are simpler, so we can see exactly what happens when they learn. No giant tangle of neurons like in our heads. This helps scientists figure out the basic rules of learning. Would you ever think a slug could teach you about memory? Let me know in the comments. One simple learning type is habituation. If an animal is tapped over and over, it might stop reacting when the taps aren't harmful. That's habituation, learning to ignore a harmless, repetitive stimulus. Like how you stop noticing a clock's ticking after a while, that's your own habituation. Another type is sensitization. That's the flip side. If an animal experiences a strong shock, it might overreact to future light taps. It's on high alert. Think of how a loud scare can leave you jumpy for the next few minutes. Even these tiny creatures can show classical conditioning. Pair a harmless stimulus, like a gentle touch, with something strong, like a shock, and soon the creature reacts to the gentle touch alone, expecting the shock. It's like Pavlov's dog salivating at a bell, but in a simpler brain. How do these learning changes happen in the brain? A key idea is synaptic plasticity. We often say, neurons that fire together, wire together. Repeated coactivation strengthens the connection between neurons. In Aplysia, for instance, touching its siphon can make it retract its gill. Repeating certain touches can make that reflex bigger, which we call sensitization, or smaller, known as habituation. The difference lies in how much neurotransmitter is released at those synapses. Have you ever realized you stopped noticing a repeating sound like a ticking clock? That's your brain's habituation. Share an example below. Why study a slug's reflexes? Because these simpler critters demonstrate fundamental learning rules. The same mechanisms, synaptic changes, neurotransmitter release, apply in bigger brains like ours. We have more neurons, sure, but the basic steps are the same. By understanding simple systems, we learn how our own synapses might strengthen or weaken when we pick up new skills or habits. That's a quick look at how small animals can reveal big truths about learning. Next time, we'll explore innate learning instincts in humans, things we seem to be born with. If you found this video helpful, hit like and subscribe so you don't miss what's next. Thanks for watching.